Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make sure you get the best bang for your buck without losing your sanity in the endless sea of products. Today, we have a face-off between two robotic warriors. In the left corner, we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, and in the right corner, the MAM-Viv Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. One is a premium beast, while the other is a budget-friendly contender. Who will clean up the competition? Let's dive in. Let's start with the most painful part of any purchase: price. The Shark Matrix will set you back a whopping $699. It's like Shark is saying, "We know we're good. Pay up." Meanwhile, the MAM is a mere $196. That's almost like finding change in your couch cushions compared to the Shark. If you're on a budget, MAM-Shiv is already looking like a winner. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for. Let's see if that holds true here. Next up, we have suction power and mopping efficiency. The Shark boasts incredible suction and sonic mopping, which sounds like it was designed by Tony Stark himself. It's like having a mini tornado and a mop on steroids in your home. The MAM-Fiv, with its 1,400 Pascal suction, is more like a gentle breeze. It gets the job done, but don't expect it to suck up your soul. Reviews for the Shark highlight its strong suction and effective mopping, although it may miss some spots occasionally. MAM reviewers appreciate its ability to handle pet hair and light messes efficiently. Now, how smart are these robots? The Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision, which is basically robot speak for "I see everything, everywhere, all at once." It maps your home with the precision of a military drone. MAM-Viv, on the other hand, has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance. It's like a toddler learning to walk, cute and mostly effective, but you might still find it bumping into things occasionally. And with its slim 2.87 inches design, it can squeeze into places even your cat can't reach. Reviewers of the Shark praise its precise navigation, while MAM users find it mostly reliable but occasionally prone to getting stuck. Maintenance time. The Shark empties itself, holds up to 60 days of dirt, and doesn't need those pesky disposal bags. It's like the Marie Kondo of robot vacuums. Does this dirt spark joy? No? Goodbye. MAM-Viv, however, requires a bit more hands-on love. It comes with a 230 milliliters water tank and a 220 milliliters dustbin, which means more frequent emptying. But hey, it's a small price to pay for a cleaner home, right? Reviewers find the Shark's self-cleaning feature very convenient, while MAM-Viv users note the need for more frequent emptying but find it manageable. Pet owners, listen up. The Shark has a self-cleaning brush roll that's engineered to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap. It's like a hairdresser that never complains about your shedding. MAM-Viv, with its brushless suction port, promises no hair entanglement. Think of it as the friend who helps you move, but doesn't get tangled up in your emotional baggage. Both are great for pet hair, but the Shark seems to have an extra edge. Reviewers of the Shark appreciate its efficiency in handling pet hair, while MAM-Viv users find it effective, but note it fills up quickly. Customization is key. The Shark offers precision home mapping and a variety of cleaning modes, including a matrix mop mode for those stubborn stains. It's like having a personal cleaning butler. MAM-Viv gives you 4 modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. It's more like a Swiss Army knife. Versatile but not as refined. Plus, with Smart App and voice control, you can boss it around like a pro. Reviewers of the Shark love its customization options, while MAM users appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. Overall, Reviews for the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 Robot Vacuum and Mop highlight its powerful suction, precise navigation, and low-maintenance features. However, it is noted that it may miss some spots occasionally and struggles with tight corners. For the Mamfiev Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, reviewers appreciate its budget-friendly price, effective pet hair handling, and ease of use, although it requires more frequent maintenance and can get stuck on obstacles. So who's the winner? If you've got deep pockets and want the creme de la creme of cleaning tech, the Shark Matrix is your go-to. It's powerful, intelligent, and practically does everything except make your morning coffee. But if you're on a budget and still want a clean home without breaking the bank, the Mamfiev is a solid choice. It's like the underdog that could, reliable, efficient, and won't make your wallet cry. That's it for today's showdown. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Remember, shop smart, live better. See you next time. Product links are in the description.